DeFi Income Investor Update. Today's October 25th, and we returned 1.59% day over day. Our expected weekly dividend is coming in at 1.92%. That's after paying corporate tax rate of 22% and a 35 management fee to our team. Total return in 16 trading days is 8.67% with a share price of 1,086.73. As soon as we issue our first dividend, that will, of course, go back to $1,000 flat. Now, for every $100,000 invested, you're currently looking at $1,920 of income paid out to your bank account every Friday. Hands-free, passive retirement income. Let's take a look at the returns broken down in the portfolio. You can see the share price started at 1,000, had a maximum drawdown of less than 1%, hitting 991, and since then has climbed almost every single day to 1,086.73. We have not issued our first dividend yet, but once again, once we do that, it will drop back to $1,000 flat. If the share price ever goes below 1,000, there'll be no dividend that week until the share price is again back to your starting capital level. We've had fees ranging as low as $206 in a day. The $1,000 print over here is, of course, a weekend print. Our highest returning day was the Friday leading into the weekend with $443 in fees collected in a single day. Yesterday, we collected $298.45. As you can see, our hedge has had wild swings going from a starting point of 4,080 as low as 1,506. That's when the market was going up. When the market had a sell-off, we had it jump to 7,353, and today it's back to 5,612. So again, strategy is not to make money if the market goes up or down. We are a neutral strategy creating consistent fees from providing market liquidity to Uniswap currently. Here's a little look at the volatility we've had in the markets. So once again, we're heavily hedged. So if the market goes down, we don't lose money. But if the market goes up, our hedge loses value. We're simply cranking out profits from being a market liquidity provider. You can see Pendle has had volatility of up to 6.5% down and massive rise of 10.5%. And now we've recently dropped the Link Ethereum pair and are trading Gains Matic for higher income. And again, we've seen Link drop 10% the previous day. And then today we had to deal with gains going up 7.67. What's important is the greatest drawdown we've had is 0.95% and 0.89%. But the days after those quickly regained any losses with massive trading fees from being a market liquidity provider. Our best returning day was 2.29%. And again, yesterday we returned 1.59%. Here's just a look at some of the charts of the assets we're providing liquidity to. I can see Ethereum started off going down, back up, down, flying up, pulling back. Again, doesn't matter with our strategy. We reduce volatility and create consistent income for retirees. Pendle has been going straight up, but has had these wild swings up and down. Once again, our strategy is getting rid of the volatility. Now, we've just switched to a more lucrative trading pair. As a market maker, here's a look at Gains going up 8%, and then Matic trading flat, but with a trading range just since we've launched of 10%. And again, our portfolio has protected our assets. Currently have a farm value of $32,423, and it's being hedged with $27,038. Let's look at the breakdown of assets. We are 15.9 thousand long Pendle ETH and 16.2 thousand long Matic Gains. One we're trading on Uniswap Arbitrum network, and the other we're trading on the Uniswap Polygon network. Now you can always verify our assets. 100% of our capital is on the blockchain, easily viewed from DBank. If you click the link below and subscribe to our newsletter, you get a link to this page. But again, all assets are visible at all time, full transparency of our assets. What's the catch? Does this sound too good to be true? Well, there is a catch. We can only accept $5 million in capital to continue these high levels of return. We're in a 2-year bear market, potentially getting ready to enter a bull market. If liquidity goes to the upside, we could potentially increase that. For now, we're going to cap total investments at $5 million and do expect that to get filled up quickly. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I want you to click the link below, go to our website, type in your name, email, and phone number. You're going to get a daily text message and email with a breakdown of our exact results daily. Plus, you'll get a free consultation with Dean Gallagher to talk about getting started now. You can get it started with as little as $10,000 and start receiving income this Friday. So don't wait, get started now.